The greatest war on Earth often goes unnoticed, battling unseen viruses, bacteria, and antigens on a continuous basis. Imagine a world where tiny invaders wage constant war against our immune systems, creating chaos within us. Our immune systems fight vaccines as foreign invaders, complicating our body's ability to combat real threats. Not everyone reacts the same way to vaccines, as individual immune responses diverge in the face of antigens. We must embrace the evolving nature of science, constantly adapting to the changing landscape of pathogens. Viruses are ever evolving, and with that we need to constantly change strategies for dealing with them. There are many opportunities to gain insights from experts and even first-hand experiences going into fields specializing in them. Working in wastewater revealed astonishing interactions among viruses, bacteria, and how they influence our immune responses. Struggles with flu shots have prompted a relentless pursuit of knowledge about how vaccines affect us. Vaccines can end up combining with the flu and leaving you bedridden. Getting a vaccine is all about timing. In a battle against illness, one must consider how viruses and vaccines engage with our immune systems. The viral landscape is complex. Understanding how viruses mutate is essential to grasping their unpredictable nature. Constantly mutating, viruses evolve to dodge our immune response, complicating our defense against infections. Bacteria, too, exhibit remarkable adaptive traits, often responding to viral infections with their own survival strategies. Unlike viruses, bacteria don't need a host. What if some viruses could not only survive but benefit from the bacteria they infect? It's a wild thought, but viruses have been known to latch on bacteria as their host. The coexistence of good and bad microbes forms a fragile balance within our bodies that needs constant management. Seasonal conditions affect our immune resilience, leaving us vulnerable during cold months when viruses thrive. They move slower, but they still move. Hospitals maintain cooler temperatures to reduce viral spread, yet sometimes contribute to increased illness transmission because the cooler temperatures also slow our immune system response. Autoimmune diseases arise when our immune systems misfire, mistakenly attacking healthy cells instead of pathogens. Scientists have learned how to manipulate bacteria, keeping them in check while utilizing their strengths for human benefit. A perfect example is a wastewater plant. They keep the moisture and temps right in area while bacteria feed off other bacteria. A former colleague always said, "Keep them fat, dumb, and happy." Viruses are constantly on the move. Trying to spread so control over bacteria doesn't equate to similar mastery with viruses, which outsmart our strategies daily because of this. It's crucial to understand that viruses operate without conscience, constantly mutating to stay one step ahead. Science has made leaps with vaccines, yet with proper procedures and red tape, these advancements are always in pursuit of smarter, evolving threats. Natural immunity isn't limited by protocol, which offers its own set of advantages, especially for those frequently exposed to pathogens. Different environments create unique immune responses, revealing nature's intricate design for our fledgling defenses. Masks serve a purpose in limiting spread, but they can't contain every encapsulated pathogen from escaping. The effectiveness of our immune systems can render dependency on vaccinations unnecessary for some individuals. Two distinct defense mechanisms in our immune systems allow for immediate action and long-term strategic responses. Much like one team taking the threat head-on while the other squad is flanking around back for the surprise attack. Timing vaccines effectively can help, but battling existing infections can result in overwhelming our defenses. The perception of vaccines as mere help ignores how the body sometimes sees them as another adversary. With rapid dissemination of information, individual research is essential to navigate through prevalent misconceptions. Resilience lies within nuanced understanding and open dialogues about vaccinations and their place in health. The battle against viruses will continue, but together, by empowering our knowledge, we can navigate this war.